Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Galaxy M21 2021 edition smartphone. This is the Samsung Galaxy M21, of course, as written over here. This is part of the popular Galaxy M series. And over here we have some information. This particular smartphone comes with 6.4 inches of Super AMOLED display. It also comes with 48 megapixel camera and a triple camera setup at the back. There's also a 6000 mAh battery and a 15 watt fast charger in this particular box. Once again, there's a triple rear camera setup which has a 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel sensors and a front facing camera with 20 megapixel sensors. Any other information? No, that's more or less it. I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. So this is what you find inside the box. As mentioned, this is the SIM ejecting pin that comes with this particular phone. This is a quick start guide for the M21, a regional lock guide and a warranty card for this particular device. This is a USB-C type charging cable. I'll give you a closer look. Here you can see this is a USB-C type charging cable, and this is the 15 watt fast charging power adapter that comes with it. So this is the M21 2021 edition. This is the Arctic Blue edition. This is the Arctic Blue variant. This has a nice rugged texture at the back. This is obviously made out of plastic, but this is not just cheap plastic. This is high quality plastic. This is a 3 sensor camera module at the back, the 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel at the same time, all in one module. There's a 20 megapixel front facing camera over here. I'm going to turn it on. We turn it on using this button by pressing and holding this button. And these two at top are the volume rockers. What else do we have? This is the SIM tray over here, the dual SIM tray. There's a fingerprint sensor at the back, and over here you have the USB-C type port and a 3.5mm port, and this is the speaker for the audio. The Samsung logo, as we switch it on, we'll just wait for it to go to the first page, which is where you basically select the language, region, etc, etc, and then you go on to set up this particular phone. Usually you need a SIM card, a Wi-Fi connection and an email ID or Gmail ID to set up these phones, but you can do that without these three things as well. In another video I'll show you how to do that, and I will also take you through some of the key features of this particular smartphone. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Samsung Galaxy M21 2021 edition. Thank you for watching.